Automotive Restoration Material Market Report. According to Cognitive Market Research, the global automotive restoration material market size will expand at a CAGR of 6% from 2024 to 2031. North America automotive restoration material will grow at a CAGR of 4.2% from 2024 to 2031. Europe automotive restoration material market size of USD 4.5% million. Asia Pacific automotive restoration material will grow at a CAGR of 8% from 2024 to 2031. Latin America automotive restoration material will grow at a CAGR of 5.4% from 2024 to 2031. Middle East and Africa automotive restoration material will grow at a CAGR of 5.7% from 2024 to 2031. Access the free sample copy to know the market dynamics, competitor analysis, regional analysis, country analysis, segment analysis, market trends, technological trends, SWOT analysis, and more.